So I'd use a reliable pressure gauge and I'd find it in a car manual or in the apex of the door.
Any other information?
What? I'm going to point one thing out. I normally drive a diesel. This is a petrol.
No, it's not. So that disclaimer's not going to work.
It's a diesel. Okay.
But you're allowed disclaimers. You're allowed as many as you want.
I've never driven this car. Disclaimer.
Yeah, but he's a professional. Actually, you don't really get penalised for that in a part 2.
If you don't tell me where we're going, I'm going to get penalised. Oh, okay.
Follow the road ahead.
Okay, okay. You have me because I've left my signal on. I disagree.
Yeah.
So I'm not having it.
I like how you're doing the speed limit.
Good.
Yeah.
There's one thing that I
Were you
teach
doing
and
the speed limit
follow.
back there?
Yeah.
Were you?
Behind the van.
Just earlier.
I wasn't doing 70,
No, you weren't.
but I was trying to save fuel. I was trying to be economical.
Were you?
Yeah.
What gear were you in?
5th.
How many gears has this car got?
Oh my god. Who told me it's got 6 gears? If you have me about handbrake, not having it because it's on automatic.
Yeah.
And if you have me because I haven't put it into neutral, don't care. I don't want to put it in neutral. There's no need. There's no need.
Although with the eco-safe drive now.
Dear God, I don't enjoy driving around London.
Any advice to anybody out there that's going to be doing their part 2?
The biggest bit of advice I can give is don't try and switch it on just before you test. You need to be practicing this commentary driving way before you test. You know, at least 3-4 weeks. You need to get your head in the zone. You can't drive like, you know, you've been driving for the last 10 years and then suddenly expect to turn on to, you know, good driver mode the day before, because it's just not going to work.
I'm going to put a massive caveat in here. If you're going to do a part 2 test, even if you're an ADI, you should be doing some training beforehand. Josh hasn't, because this is just a YouTube video.
Oh, are you crossing? You're going to cross, aren't you? Of course you are.